Carrie at the Waukee Public Library. In today's Teen Maker Monday, we are going to make an origami dragon eye. So to do this, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. And if you don't have a square sheet of paper, you just have regular paper, that's really easy fix. You're just going to fold one corner down, flat to the edge, like that. And then you will cut off and trim off that, and then you will have a square piece of paper. So I am going to use a 2 different color sided paper to do this, just so you can see where the folds are a little bit easier, hopefully. And the first folds we're going to do after you have your square paper is just to take the opposite corners and press them together, and then open it back up and do the other 2 corners like this. And the other 2. Just want to make a good crease, but you'll be able to use those lines later on. Oops. If you take your time and line it up better, it will turn out better, just a tip. All right, so you've got kind of an X folded into your paper. And then what we're going to do is take one corner and fold it, the corner up to that middle point. So now you have like that, and then we're going to do the same thing with the opposite corner. So now you have like that. Okay, and then we're going to fold this whole edge up to the halfway line. And press it down. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Shocker. Here we go. So now you have like that. Okay, once you've got those 2 folded, we're gonna undo all that hard work again. And here's also a thought. For your dragon eye, if your paper is double colored like mine, the part of the paper that you're going to draw the eye on is currently actually the bottom side. So whatever side is your blank or the side you want to color for the eyeball, start with that on the bottom. But right now, actually, we're gonna flip it all upside down. So you're gonna undo all your folds, should have all these lovely lines, flip it upside down, and we are going to reverse fold on that first triangle line, and then on the next line up as well. Just reverse there, like that. And on the other side, the same. Oops. My left hand is not as talented as my right hand. I can't do it that way. All right, so then you're just left with these 2 kind of center sections right there. And here's where we're going to color the eye, right in there. All right, after you've got your reverse folds there, you're going to draw your eye, and I'm just going to do a really fast one, but if you wanted to make yours extra cool, you can start with pencil first and then add your color later. So I'm just going to try to put this in here. All right, there's our dragon eye for the purposes of this video. Then we're gonna fold up the final flap to the middle line, make the eyelids, cover it up. Again, can't do it that way. All right, now we're going to flip this over, and we are going to fold this to the center and press. There you go. And then fold the other corner to the center. And press it. And then just to make that line a little bolder in the middle, we're gonna fold the whole thing in half. And press. And open that part back up. Then we're going to take one corner at a time and fold it to line up with that edge. It's kind of a weird angle. You just kind of have to mush it and make it go and crease. And then flip it back open. And we're going to do that for each corner. And open it back. So now if you flip it over, you kind of have a diamond shape if you pull those corners back a little bit. And if you pull the corners back a little bit, oops, and peel your dragon's eye open, it will blink at you like that. And if you'd like to, you can draw scales or decorate this other side a different color. Here's another one that I had done earlier that I took a little more time on to make that eye. Oh, he's upside down. There he goes. So you can make him blink. Have fun.